Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Volkswagen. It could be Volkswagen Tiguan, Jetta, Passat, CC, Touareg guys. If you need to replace windshield wipers, stay with us. We'll explain how you can easily do that, where you can get original quality wipers for a fraction of the price, guys. Really good quality wipers that are very affordable. And two things to avoid when you're replacing them. One, you can break your windshield, so make sure to stand till the end and we'll explain what we're talking about. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply due to the fact that our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you need to buy, guys, any parts, tools for your Volkswagen, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So how do you guys replace wipers now? Okay, we'll demonstrate. We replaced one of them, we'll demonstrate on the other one. Things to avoid now. Okay, those are the new wipers. They're amazing, guys. The quality is simply amazing. I've been using those for quite a while on BMWs, and we just got that Tiguan here now, so we put some on the Tiguan. You can see they're formed like a spoiler as well, better quality than the original wipers even, and they work amazing in cold and hot weather as well. Number one thing to avoid: you need to lift up your wiper, but if you lift too much, you can damage your hood. Check out, somebody did it already. Here it's scratched and that can rust later. So here, put a paper towel or put a quart, okay, but don't go all the way. Now right here there is one too that you need to depress down, and at the same time when you press it down you start pulling out. Number two mistake: never drop now. Okay, put a towel or something underneath, because if you accidentally drop the wiper blade, you can crack your windshield. Next, you're going to go ahead, okay, and pull, okay, the protective trim here. We're going to get the wiper. It goes only one way. Align everything. Push it in, locked in place. That's it, guys. You can see we took care of that problem. So the other one is exactly the same way. You can see exact fit, perfect wipers. I'll put the link where we got it from. This one even comes with a kit for the rear wiper, because it's a SUV or hatchbacks. They will have them as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.